To set up eSIM on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next step is to enter mobile networks. Go to the eSIM and make sure that your eSIM is activated like I have it right here. After that, you'll be able to click on Add eSIM and wait a couple of seconds until it checks for network information. Then there's two options. You can set up eSIM with brand new carrier. If you click on it, you can enter the activation code manually with one of those options right here. You can scan the QR code from the carrier, or you can scan it from the photo if you already have the photo downloaded. Then there's also option to transfer it from your other device. Now this option is sadly not available for all of the regions, so if you click on it or just don't see that means you don't have that option. And also I should mention it is only available for Android devices. That means you can transfer them from Android devices, I mean. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.